category. It's hard. This is the brush that is going to do all the magic today. This is the only brush we will be using in today's video.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. I'm really happy to have you here. So in today's video, we'll just be having fun. So I'll be showing you guys how to use just one brush to achieve a clean, gorgeous and flawless eye look, just like what you see me have here. Yes, now this can really come in handy if you're traveling, you're on the go, and don't want to pack too much, or you have just a few brushes to work with, or you don't just want to end up having too many brushes to clean after your makeup. Now, if you fall into any category of these people I just mentioned, you sure need to keep on watching this video.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
So starting off with my crease, I'm going in with this slightly darker shade of powder as my transitioning color, just to give my eyes that beautifully blended bronzy looking crease. Yeah, and I'm just going to blend it in. Yes. Next, I'm going in with this plum color and I'm applying that on my outer corner and working my way into my crease and just blending it in. Remember, the key is to blend and blend and blend to avoid any harsh lines. We had our reason for choosing a blending brush for this, right? So we might as well go ahead and make good use of it. See, if you don't have any other brush, any other eyeshadow brush in your life, you just have to try and get yourself a blending brush, because if you know you always wear makeup, ladies, you need a blending brush, trust me. I'm following up with a darker shade of that plum color still on my outer corner, just blending it in on top of that first medium plum shade I applied, and I'm just going to blend it in. You just need to make good use of that, your blending brush. That's what we are here for, right? Next, I'll be using this black eyeshadow to slightly intensify my outer corner. I'll just tap off the excess and gently blend it in. You'll notice I'll be using the word blend a lot in this video because that's what we are here for, sis. Nothing else. Blending. That's what we'll be doing in this video. So I keep going into my crease and just blending everything in to avoid any harsh line. So I'm going in with a powder shade that is my shade to slightly blend in that harsh line you saw right there, just blending it in so it will just make sense, because it doesn't make sense to have a harsh line on your crease. You don't have any business with having harsh lines on your crease. That's just the truth. So I'll be using my middle finger to go in with this peachy looking eyeshadow on my eyelid and just gently using my finger to blend it in, trying not to allow my nails to spoil the makeup I spend time to do. So that's what I'm doing, just gently blending it in to that outer corner we created earlier. Yeah, blend, blend, blend. You see, even with my finger, the word blend still comes in. So I have to keep blending. You just need to learn how to be patient and just keep blending. Yeah. So I'm going in with these two eyeshadows that are more peachy looking because I wasn't really satisfied with the outcome. So I'm applying that in between the other pale looking eyeshadow I use on my inner corner and my outer corner. So yeah, just creating like a transitioning between my inner corner and my outer corner. So, and I'll just keep blending that in to avoid harsh line. We don't need any harsh line. So going in with my blending brush, I'll just blend that in. Just blend everything in so everything will just come together. Using the same blending brush, I'm just pinching the tip so it does exactly what I want it to do. That's just smudging my under eye with those three colors I used on my outer corner. That's the lighter plum color, the darker plum color, and my black eyeshadow, just to intensify that look. And I'm just going to blend that in, blend it down, connect the down to the up, just connecting the lower parts of my eye to the upper part. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think the video makes more sense. Yeah, so I'll be going off camera to apply my lashes. And we are back with this va-va-voom look. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. I applied my lashes off camera and added a white eyeliner to my waterline just to open up my eyes a bit more. Yeah, I hope you like this video because I really like creating this look using just one brush. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share this video. Also remember to go watch my other videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.